Good morning, students. This class we will discuss about gas junction arc welding. Gas junction arc welding is one of the fusion welding process. GTAW is also known as TIG, tungsten inert gas welding. So, in this process, the electric arc produced between non-consumable electrode and the torque. Here, tungsten is act as a non-consumable electrode. Weld is shielded from atmosphere by the shielding gas. Generally, helium or argon gas is used for the particular process. It forms envelope to around that weld area or weld pool. Arc is formed between a pointed tungsten electrode and the workpiece uh, in the presence of inert atmosphere of argon or helium. Heat intense provided by the point electrode that melts the two metal pieces. Here that filler wire, so pointed electrode, uh, gases to supply for this process to produce that shielding gases. This is the solidified part. This is that base metal. So that melts the two metal pieces and fuse them so that to form strong weld with the support of a filler wire. Here we used only the filler wires, not coated any flux. Uh, the gas will support to protect you the shield for the particular area from that environment. Shielding gas environment is used to prevent the weld form from that atmospheric conditions. Electrode is not consumed during welding. Here in shield metal arc welding, electrode is consumable. Here the tungsten electrode only non-consumed, just only to pass that electric arc from the end of the chip. When the filler metal is required, it must be added separately. You have to use it. Tungsten electrode. This is that tungsten electrode is a nozzle cup. Electrode material for GTAW made from tungsten alloy. Tungsten has one of the highest melting temperature of any other metal. So compared to other, to withstand that more temperature, in this reason behind, you have to use that tungsten electrode. Electrodes usually contains a small quantities of other metallic oxides. This is the reason to facilitate arc starting, arc stability, to withstand in line with you have to move uh, and complete the task, improve the current carrying, reduce the risk weld contaminations, increase the electrode life. In this reason, you have to add some metallic oxide in the presence of electrodes. Shielding gas. Argon or helium are the two most commonly used in the shielding gas for the GTAW process. The main reason to protect the tungsten electrode and the molten weld pool from that atmosphere. Gas purity, definitely it will be affects that process. So better have to choose without impurities. You have to use it. For the best results, the percent of the inert gas used at least 99.9% pure. What are the advantages of TIG welding process? In manual welding, relatively small arc is ideal for thin sheet metal. So it's possible you have to vary based on that to edge preparations of grinding of that particular tungsten electrode. So you have to join the thin metals. Controlled in this reason, you have to control the penetrations. So root run pipe weld mostly they are preferred for that TIG welding process. Because a deposition rate can quite low using that separate filler rod. So this is one of the drawback, but it will be help to uh, complete the task for that thin sheets. No flux is required because here we use that filler wire and that the gas, inert gases have to use. So not possible to produce the slag inclusions. Unexpected the tungsten bit to touch that workpieces, definitely it will be produced that coal is called as a tungsten inclusions. This is one of the defects. The main drawback, time consuming, because welder used to both the hands, one hand in filler, one hand is at the holder. a little bit difficult to uh, do that process. These types of difficulties are not faced in the shield metal arc welding or MIG welding process. So definitely it will make time consume, more complicated. Highly skilled persons, the professional workers, only possible to handle. So compared to that other welding process, a little bit difficult to manage. So some of the points, tips are relevant to that TIG welding process. Thank you.